for veritas, a paradox wrapped in an enigma, sprinkled with cosmic stardust. You may call me Cipher. My eyes, oh, they've seen it all, the birth of galaxies, the collapse of quantum superpositions. These goggles, four-dimensional calibration, of course, or perhaps they're just a fashion statement. Either way, they add an air of mystery. And mystery, my friends, is the currency of the multiverse. This coat, a patchwork of fabric stitched across time and dimensions. And the pockets, oh, they hold the keys to parallel universes and the best banana bread recipe. My wristband monitors heart rate, brain waves, and cosmic alignment. When danger approaches, it beeps, a celestial alarm clock for the apocalypse, or lunchtime, depends on the cosmic menu. So, my fellow wanderers, let us decipher graffiti and unravel paradoxes. Is it a clue or a recipe for banana bread? Only time and a dash of quantum uncertainty will tell.